your pimples will really have diminished in the next morning, because after you've let it dry down, and when you go to bed, if you sleep on your back, it's really sucking out all the bad stuff from your face, and it's really effective as a quick acne remedy. So number 10, this is probably also a more surprising one. It's peppermint oil. So peppermint is a very handy home remedy, which you probably hadn't thought about before. And in the event that you don't have any fresh peppermint leaves at your home, you can also just use the oil, which contains vitamins and a lot of unsaturated fats. So take 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil and apply it on your pimples. Then you should really rub the oil for a couple of minutes, and afterwards rinse it with water. If you want to go for a more natural treatment, you can just really crush some peppermint leaves and extract the juice, but as a lazy person, I would just go for the ready-made peppermint oil, the more synthetic version. It's still really potent and really strong. Afterwards, make sure to wash your skin with cold water to remove any of the peppermint oil that's on your skin. You can also use a face wash with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid to really make sure that you get rid of those pimples. Number 11, and this is actually great for back acne and chest acne. That is apple cider vinegar. You can consider apple cider vinegar to really for your face and your body. It really helps to kill the bacteria responsible for pimples, and it's very alkaline in nature, and thus it helps balancing the pH levels of your skin. This basically also includes the fact that you don't want to apply too much of it, because it can make your skin really dry. And just like with the baking soda, you should make sure to use a moisturizer afterwards. So simply prepare a solution by adding 3 portions of water to 1 portion of apple cider vinegar to dilute it. And wash your face normally and pat it dry with a towel. And you can also kind of do like a spot treatment. So you can just dip a cotton ball into the diluted liquid, and then just clean your face with it. And leave it there for at least 10 minutes and then rinse it off, and you should see instant results, because this is also very strong stuff also, although it's a home remedy. Do not underestimate the power of apple cider vinegar. You can also put apple cider vinegar into a spray bottle with water and just spray your back, let it dry, and then rinse it off. It works. Really, it does work. The last but not the least one is Head and Shoulders shampoo. Now, some of you may already be familiar with Head and Shoulders, but I really want to share this with everybody in case there are people who have not heard of this remedy before. So use the Head and Shoulders shampoo daily for 1 or 2 weeks, then twice weekly for maintenance if you suffer from back acne or chest acne. And let it sit on your skin for a minute or 2 before rinsing, so it has enough time to penetrate your skin follicles. And the active ingredient is actually zinc, like I mentioned in the very beginning of this video. So it's nothing dangerous, it's really safe to use. And you can expect pretty darn quick results regarding your body or face acne with Head and Shoulders if you just let it sit for a while. Just make sure not to let any of this shampoo reach your eyes. So keep your eyes shut tight if you use this as a face wash. It's really gonna sting if any of Head and Shoulders gets into your eyes. And in the meanwhile, you know, when you have washed your body or your face, You can just wash your hair in the meanwhile using the same shampoo, actually, if you want to, if you prefer to, and just rinse it off, and basically rinse and repeat for 2 weeks daily, and you will have absolutely fantastic results. At this point, I hope that you have enjoyed watching the video, the 12 tips on how to get rid of pimples really fast. And most importantly, please let me know what you think. What methods will or did you use? And which ones do you like the best? Also, I would be more than happy to hear what kinds of reviews and tips you'd like to get in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, check out all the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.